Hello everyone! Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, going Commando. So last time we beat the game, and we are now in challenge mode, and I have a snowman skin on because of the special cheat, Snow Dude, because I completed the impossible challenge in Joba, or on planet Joba. So, challenge mode has quite a couple neat features. For one, we now have bolt multipliers. And what that is the more enemies you defeat in a row, the more the amount of bolts you gain is multiplied. And believe you me, rather quickly, you'll find that it's not too hard to get enough bolts to afford all those expensive things. The number next to your bolt counter multiplies the amount of bolts you get when you kill enemies. This multiplier increases as you kill enemies, but will reset to 1 if you get hit. The higher the bolt multiplier, the more enemies must be killed to increase it. The multiplier maxes out at 20. Sweet. So, the game is essentially going to play out the same way as it would normally, except now that it's in challenge mode, there's going to be all these new little differences. So, once I upgrade the hover bomb gun, I'll start cutting to anything that's interesting. Or, things I want to do. As you can see, we still have all of our skill points. Except for 2. Nano to the max and Weapon Envy. I have to upgrade all of my nano points to full. And Weapon Envy, I have to purchase every weapon in the game. Or maybe you purchase and upgrade every weapon in the game. One of the two. Since we've already seen the story before, I can just skip the cutscenes. And also of note, if I didn't already mention this, there are now mega variants of the weapons. The weapons I bought. I don't know if this applies to things like the like the Rhino 2. Damn it. Oh, that's what's happening here. I don't know why it's doing that. Why is it like... Why is the growth bar on it, like, already gray? I don't know.
Ratchet checking in.
I'm even a snowman in the cutscenes. You know what? We might as well have a bit of fun with this. Yes, I still have the charge boots. Thank God. Ooh, and take a look at this. We can now get the super duper special mega variants of these weapons. Mega weapon upgrades provide your weapons with a second experience bar. Fill up the bar, and your weapons will become more powerful. Notice here, though, that these weapons are, you can buy mega versions of the upgraded weapons. Which, I find to be pretty fucking sweet. Now, I'm pretty sure... Ooh! I can buy the Rhino 2 and the Zodiac from here. Neat. I'm gonna need... Hold on. How many... You know what, I should wait until I fully upgrade the Hover Bomb Gun. Just so I can truly see how many bolts I'm gonna need. Because that's definitely gonna go well over 3 million. Score. Like I said, I'll cut the video. Oh my dear God, that's a large stock. I'll cut the video once my hover bomb gun reaches full potential. God, that's amazing. You guys have such big noggins. Hilariously big noggins. I should have the shield enabled, actually, just in case someone tries to hit me. It's nice that the bomb doesn't even, like... It doesn't even really go off, like, automatically the moment it hits something. It gives me a chance to actually aim for something first, and it kind of just bounces off whatever's nearby. Haha! Look at me being skilled. I am fucking loving this! Okay, I was gonna say, I don't know if this is where I wanted to go. It totally is.
Welcome. If everyone could take their seats, we can proceed with today's demonstration. First, I'll need a volunteer. Anyone? Excellent. Your name, sir?
God,
Ratchet.
your face.
And there you... Thank you, sir. You won't be disappointed.
God, I fucking love that. Wait, it's illegal? Wow. Alright. What's over here? Oh, I already went this way. Man, I am good. I like how even though the Walloper is supposedly a non-upgradable weapon, it still has a mega variant of itself that I can upgrade it to. However that makes sense. However that works. Poor guy. Oh, I'm sorry. Were you trying to come for me? Hey, can I save his life, please? He still died. That's unfortunate. I guess the moment anything of mine gets close to them, they just kind of go for it. Can I kill you from here? I can. How am I so good at using this thing? I honest to God have no idea how I'm so good. I have no idea how I'm so good at using this thing. It might be partially because of the fact that, it doesn't automatically blow up the moment it hits the surface, so it kind of allows for some leniency as to where I want it to go before I set it off. Which is very nice, because that's a very nice way to design a remote-controlled bomb. I'm sorry, I just can't... I can't get over a fucking snowman wielding a bomb like this. Now, from what I recall, I think this thing upgrades to something called a Tetra Bomb Gun, and I forget what exactly it does. Man, I am amazing. I fucking love this thing. I accidentally fired it and I still even killed something with it. I am just incredible. Oh, hello. Tetra Bomb Gun. Now, I can't remember what exactly this thing does, but I shall find out. Oh! That's cool. So, it fires... how many? It fires 5 bombs instead of 1. Cool. Now that I've gotten that, upgrade all done, I'm gonna head back to the shop and calculate just how many bolts I would need for all of these upgrades. Alright. Let me just put this into the computer. So I calculated the total, and buying all of these weapons, the total comes out to a abso-fucking-lutely gigantic, whopping total of 11,389,000 bolts. That's how much it costs to buy all of these. Factoring in the, 12,389,000 bolts. Because, you add in the total for the Carbonox armor. So... oh boy. But I'll do myself a favor, and I'll go ahead and buy these. I'll buy the cheaper ones. But, definitely not easy to get. So, let's go ahead and let's put this on top. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'll start recording a clip when one of my weapons is actually is it is the bar on my weapons already like completely full? I don't know. Wait. No, they're automatically instantly more powerful. I don't have to upgrade anything. So all I have to do is wow. So all I have to do is get enough bolts to afford all of these weapons. Sick.
mathematician.
Guess all the good names were taken.
Watch your mouth, Zero, before the mathematician subtracts your head from your shoulders.
Sir, as a fellow number cruncher, could I please ask what this is all about?
That moon's where we divide losers from winners before adding them to the Megacorp games. There's a challenger up there ready to reduce you to nothing.